Okay, let's break down the US dollar's wild ride and why it actually matters to you.
You've probably seen the headlines, but what does a strong dollar actually mean for us?
Because this isn't just some Wall Street thing. It hits you right in the wallet.
So what's really making the dollar's value jump around? Let's dig into the mechanics.
Okay, first up, think of it as a massive global tug-of-war. It's all about supply and demand.
See, most major currencies don't have a fixed price. Their value just floats based on trading.
So a strong dollar is awesome if you're traveling, but a weak one, that's great for US exports.
And get this, the scale is just insane. We're talking $7.5 trillion traded every single day.
So who are the big players in this tug-of-war? Well, two of the biggest are interest rates and inflation.
Right, so high inflation basically erodes your purchasing power, making the currency way less attractive.
And to fight that, central banks raise interest rates. Higher rates attract foreign investment, boosting the dollar.
We saw this exact thing play out recently. The Fed went on an aggressive rate hiking spree to tame inflation.
Sentiment is also huge. When things get shaky globally, the dollar becomes a safe haven for investors.
But there's another huge piece to this puzzle, the dollar's unique role as the world's reserve currency. This status was pretty much cemented back in 1944. The dollar became the center of the whole system.
And even today, around 60% of all global currency reserves, they're held in US dollars.
So how do we track all this? Well, one of the main tools is the US Dollar Index, or USDX.
As you can see, it leans heavily on the euro. That means whatever happens in Europe really matters.
Which leads to the big question, is the dollar's dominance guaranteed to last forever?
Some analysts are pointing to major cracks in the foundation, making its future, well, a bit uncertain.
You've got growing debts, political friction, and other countries are starting to diversify the reserves too.
Still, the dollar has this powerful inertia. It's just so deeply woven into global finance, you know?
It leaves you wondering, what would a world with no single dominant currency even look like?